As of right now, you're just being detained, okay?
Right, sir.
Until I talk to my partner and I kind of figure out exactly what's going on here, okay?
Right.
Yeah. So we're gonna go to my car and we're gonna take a seat, okay?
Right, sir. And you take my passport also, brother.
Yeah, I could take your passport for
And
you.
very luggage, two luggage only, not big one.
So I'm not gonna take everything that you have.
Right,
okay.
sir.
I'm only gonna take probably your identification.
On July 14th, 2025, Marion County Sheriff's deputies responded to a $6,900 lottery ticket theft at a Florida convenience store. To understand this investigation, we must first examine the legal framework. Florida Statutes 812.014 defines theft as knowingly obtaining property with intent to deprive the owner. The value determines severity. Property worth $750,000 to $20,000 constitutes grand theft third degree, carrying up to 5 years imprisonment. With this $6,900 loss clearly meeting that threshold, deputies had probable cause for arrest. However, they chose a more measured approach.
Hello.
Hey, officer, how are you?
Just fine. What's going on today?
You can stay over there, buddy. You can stay over there, sir. You stay over there. Yeah.
What's going on?
Okay. Yeah. Actually, I'm on a. So, I was this whole week we are out of town.
You were what?
I was out of town
Okay.
and
Hello. Hi.
that's my uncle. So, Saturday night, he was very badly drunk.
Mm-hmm.
And I came back and I checked in a lottery. I checked the camera. He played 4 books in a lottery.
He played for what?
Opened the book
Yeah.
in a lottery.
Oh, he played them all.
All
Okay.
$50 too and $20 too.
Yeah.
So almost his settlement $6,900 settlement.
Plus we got our recording camera.
Plus we have a recording camera, everything.
And he,
Can I see the camera?
yes, sure. You got recorded in a
I have it.
Okay, so that's what he used, right? So he used $6,900 worth of tickets.
Take it.
He didn't pay for anything,
No,
and
he
then
stole it.
okay, and then he took
He didn't
$3,000.
took it. He just leave it just like scan, and then leave it like this.
Got it. And this is all
that's-
the.
That's for settlement.
That's
for weekly.
federal government. Even I cannot play in a $1 ticket too.
Yeah. I don't
Even-
need this. Either.
Yeah.
All right. So this is. Do y'all have copies of this?
Yeah, I got it.
You can have it, yeah.
Oh,
yes.
okay.
You
Okay.
can have it.
You have any weapons?
No, sir. No, sir.
I'm gonna pat you down real quick, okay?
I go in my
No.
key in,
Over here?
okay, the back side.
Yep. Just gonna pat you down. You have anything?
The phone.
Just a phone?
Yes.
You speak English?
Yes, brother.
Okay. I'm just checking you for weapons.
No problem.
Understand?
I guess, sir, no problem.
No gun?
No gun, sir. No knife, no gun, no anything else.
Okay. Have a seat.
Right, sir. Thank you, brother.
You live here?
Yes, I live inside.
Okay.
My luggage inside and my passports.
You work here?
Yes, brother.
Where do they live here too?
Huh?
Do they live here too?
Because today I'm coming from the hospital. Because yesterday night I am home, mindless. I don't know what happened with me. I take medicine and after I am very upset because my wife in the hospital. Then I take drink. Then I in the ambulance coming and go to the hospital.
Do you guys live here too? Or is it just him?
No. He just moved here. I told him if you don't have a space, and then he can. But then, okay.
Oh, Jeeve. Hey, what's up, man? Hey, I'm Deputy Bates, Marion County Sheriff's Office. Hey, why am I here today?
Sir, I don't know. Saturday evening I take medicine and.
What medicine do you
10,
take?
10 p.m.
Okay.
And after 2 hours I not satisfied the tablets and come to my room and I take 2 packed drinks and I think so reaction to me.
Okay, and you had a reaction?
Yes, and she is coming also 7 o'clock. She called to ambulance, my boss.
Yeah.
She come here and looking my am not good because my mind is no in my hand.
Okay.
Mind very upset. I don't know what he say I playing the tickets just like that. I don't know. I believe.
What do you mean playing the tickets?
Scratches.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
But he showed me that camera, but I don't know because my mind is not my hand at that time in the Saturday evening.
So you're saying you were just completely out of it. You have no idea what you did.
Yes, I don't idea what I do.
Oh. Okay.
I
off
tell-
of 2 Tylenol PMs and
Shot
a
it with some whiskey, he said.
yeah, and so a couple shots of whiskey and 2
Yeah.
Tylenol PMs, and
Yes,
you're out
sir.
like a
Yes,
light,
yes,
huh?
Yes, yes,
And you don't know how, you have no idea what you did.
yes. I don't know.
Okay. Well, hey, I'm going to ask you some questions, man. But before we do that, I'm going to read you your rights. All right. It's not saying you're under arrest or anything like that. It just the questions I'm going to ask you could be incriminating, right?
Yes,
I expect you to be honest with me.
Yes, sir.
All right. But in order to do so, all right, I gotta advise
Sir,
you
if
of your
you
rights.
don't mind, you speak slowly, then I understand.
Oh, sorry.
Yes,
Okay.
Because your English and my English.
So he wants to ask you some questions.
Yes, sir.
They could be incriminating.
Okay. Yes, brother.
Right?
Okay, no problem.
Before
Put it.
he asks you, he wants to read you your rights.
Okay, right, sir.
So I'm going to read you your rights, and then afterwards, just tell me if you understand what I'm saying. Okay.
Okay.
All right. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand that?
No, brother. What is the name?
Okay. That means that you don't have to talk to me.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Anything you say can
One
be
second, brother. I close the phone, brother.
bad timing. Are you okay with me asking you these questions?
Yes, sir, I am
Okay,
okay.
and you understand your rights, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool, fantastic. So, hey, on Saturday, right? You
Yes,
said that you took some Tylenol PMs, take a couple swigs of whiskey, right? And you went over here to work, correct?
I tell you because I take the Tylenol.
Mm-hmm.
I PM in the 4 or 5 o'clock. I don't know which the time that. But I am not satisfied. My mind is no good.
But after you did that, did you go over there to go work?
I am after Tylenol. I come to my room, not here.
Okay.
But I go to in the store. The customer call to my boss, and boss is coming. I'm not
So
working here.
let me ask you this, okay? Who was supposed to work on Saturday?
Saturday.
Yeah.
My responsible. My responsible. I 5 o'clock.
It's okay, it's okay.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
So after that, she's looking the camera and she come back very fast.
Okay.
I am in the room also.
Okay. So at 5, okay.
Yes.
But from 1 or what time did you go into work?
In the morning, 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. So from 10 to 5, you
10
were
to
at
10.
work.
10 to 10.
10 to 10 at
Yes,
night.
At night. Every day. Yes.
Okay. But that day,
Yes, sir.
you were from 10 to what time?
5:30 or 6 o'clock.
5:30 or 6 o'clock?
Yes, brother.
Okay. And what time did you take the Tylenol?
Tylenol near about 3:30 or 4 o'clock. Near.
Okay. What time did you drink whiskey?
The customer say, Raj, you are no good. Go to your room. She called to my
So what
boss.
time?
Maybe near about 6 o'clock. 6,
Okay.
6:20 or so.
So, reviewing the cameras, have you seen the camera footage yet?
She show me one or two photograph, not more.
Yeah. Okay. So, looking at the cameras, it looks like around 11 you started.
Because the customer is coming every day, brother.
Right. So listen.
Yes, sir.
Stop. Okay. At 11 o'clock on the camera. Okay. Are the cameras accurate with the time? They are, right?
Right, sir.
Okay. So at 11 o'clock, or in the 11 to 12 o'clock hour, okay,
In the morning?
yeah,
Afternoon,
you can
yes.
be seen grabbing tickets, right, and scanning them. Now you're telling me that you didn't take the medication.
No,
until,
I tell 3 o'clock, I tell you.
Yeah, 3 o'clock.
Yes.
But this happened at 11 o'clock. So tell me what happened.
I tell you, after 20 minutes, the customer is coming. Customer is coming, he give me the ticket, I scan it, and he is the winning or she is the winning. Then I scan it and put the money, and he want to ticket more because me $10 ticket winning, and you tell me any ticket more. We say game number 5, number 10. I put the ticket and give it to him. So
Right.
give it to her, just like
But
that.
you didn't do that in the camera.
No.
No. You took the ticket and
Yes.
scanned it yourself and then threw it away. And then took a ticket, scanned it yourself, and threw it away.
11 o'clock, no, brother. After 3 o'clock, I understand. But before 3 o'clock, I don't understand.
So you're telling me what I saw on the camera that is accurate with the time from what you told me,
Yes.
right?
I tell you clearly.
You're
yes,
telling me that
3
what I
o'clock,
saw
yes.
is not what happened.
I don't know, brother, because in the whole day my mind is very upset. I don't know what happened.
Profit anything on this?
He didn't take any of the winners. So it was about $6,900 worth of tickets, 4 books, from what they're telling me. Okay, so 4 books.
She tells me same.
Yeah.
Yes.
So out of those 4 books, only 3 tickets are missing. So out of 4 books, so he from what I understand, he was grabbing them, scan, throw it away, grab, scan, throw away, out of 4 books, like all 4 books, okay, which is roughly 120 tickets.
Okay.
Right.
And they're useless once you scan them.
From what I understand, yes.
Okay.
So now, with that said, though, The store, right, out of those tickets, it cost them what, $6,900 worth of money. Does that make sense?
To purchase the tickets.
Right.
The retail price.
Right. Retail price of the tickets is about $6,900
Okay.
worth. So, what did you do with? Do you know what you did with the money, like with the tickets once you grabbed them?
I tell her, okay, you tell me I am playing the ticket, you tell $4. $4 me cannot win, I don't know. Because not my money in my pocket, I win the ticket, $4 by
So there's
playing.
3 missing?
Go talk to her and see what, because I'm not good with the lingo, and I don't play lottery, so
Yeah, me neither.
yeah.
Brother, my luggage inside, 2 bag.
I'm sorry.
My luggage inside,
Your what is inside?
2 bag.
Your bag? For what?
For clothes and everything, shoes, just like that.
What
It's
is
my
that?
room.
Yeah. Okay. What does that have to do with anything?
I don't know, brother.
I'm asking.
I tell you, my luggage inside, that's it, I tell you. That's
Okay. Yeah. I don't care what's inside, man.
Okay, brother.
Okay. But look, what I'm trying to figure out. Okay.
And my 8-9 passports in his hand.
Yeah. What's with all the passports? I had it.
You take it?
No, I didn't take it. I gave it back. But what's with all the passports? You have a lot.
Yes, brother. I am working in the business in computer parts.
In where?
Computer parts.
Computer parts.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. All right.
That was I'm every month here to Korea, Japan, to Italy.
Got it.
Just like,
So you travel a lot.
yes, to travel a lot.
Okay. So what was with the lottery tickets, man? That's what I don't.
I don't understand. I tell you, my mind is no in my hand.
So you're saying that
I lose my
so
mind.
from what I understand, you're telling me that you might have done it,
Yeah.
but you don't remember doing it.
Yes, brother. I don't remember that. Really.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So
With this $6,900 loss clearly meeting that threshold, deputies had probable cause for arrest. However, they chose a more measured approach. Their initial detention rested on Fourth Amendment principles. Reasonable suspicion from the victim's complaint, video evidence, and settlement documentation justified the investigative stop. Building on that lawful detention, Terry v. Ohio permitted protective pat-down searches. Both deputies articulated clear safety purposes and executed professionally. During questioning, the suspect raised an intriguing defense. Medication mixed with alcohol caused complete memory loss. This claim requires legal scrutiny. Florida Statutes 775.041 directly addresses this argument, explicitly barring voluntary intoxication as a criminal defense. The critical word is voluntary. By choosing to combine prescribed medication with alcohol, the suspect made a voluntary decision that eliminates this exception entirely. Understanding this defense would fail. Deputy Bates demonstrated procedural sophistication. He carefully distinguished detention from arrest, managing expectations while preserving investigative flexibility. More importantly, he deferred detailed interrogation to a detective. This decision ensured Miranda compliance for any custodial statements and recognized the case's complexity. That complexity extended beyond criminal law. Florida's lottery settlement system creates unusual financial dynamics that amplify the victim's loss. Unlike typical theft where profit is lost, activated lottery tickets trigger automatic retailer payment regardless of sale. The victim faced immediate $6,900 liability.
as of right now, okay, I'm going to detain you until I completely understand
Okay, sir.
what's going on.
Right,
Okay.
sir.
Now, with that said, I'm going to detain you. Do you have anything on you that I need to know about that's going to poke me, stick me, harm me, hurt me?
No,
No?
nothing.
Okay.
No, nothing.
Can I get you to turn and face away from me
Yes, sir.
and place your arms behind your
Yes,
back?
sir.
Okay.
No problem.
It helps if you put them together like you're praying. Put your hands together like you're praying, like you pray. There you go. Yep. As of right now, you're just being detained. Okay. Until I talk to my partner and I kind of figure out exactly what's going on here. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna go to my car and we're gonna take a seat. Okay.
Right. And you take my passport also, brother.
Yeah, I could take your passport. for
And
you.
very luggage, two luggage only, not big one.
So I'm not going to take everything that you have.
Right,
Okay.
sir.
I'm only going to take probably your identification.
Right,
Okay.
sir. Okay.
So we're gonna go right over here. I'm gonna pat you down real quick to my car.
You take my medical report also?
I saw your medical report. Yes.
You take it also because there's a prescription on the medicine.
Okay. Well, for right now, I'm gonna have you sit in the back of my car.
Okay, brother. The first one?
Yeah, the first one.
Okay, brother.
Before I do that, though, I'm gonna pat you down. All right?
Yes,
You got anything on you? Just lean against the car.
Yes, sir.
Lean against the car. Just lean. Lean against the car. No, sir. Yeah, just lean against the car. There you go. All right, brother. Go ahead and take a seat real quick for me, okay? You good? All right.
You see, settle we can
Settlement
Yeah.
in
That was the
every week
books.
they settlement and a lot.
Whatever
Got
time
it.
he scanned, that money.
Well, just hang on to
So-
it for a second.
That money I'll lose because
You
every
paid $6,900 for
yes,
those books.
and every Thursday have a EFT. So whatever every Thursday have a EFT automatically go off
Got
in
it.
my account every week, and this is another settlement book, and we not sure he play before too because we whole week in a out of town.
So you're
This
telling me
is-
you gave Florida $6,900 for those 4 books?
Yes, and
Is that what you're telling me?
Yes.
We can sit out, whatever the amount.
Whatever this activate book,
Yeah.
Yeah, that's for it.
they don't know
they're-
anything
So
about.
they would be at a loss for $6,900.
Yeah, and nobody's answering the phone. I tried calling Louder and Raph.
I'm gonna call.
Before we leave, I would have a phone call with them.
I'm gonna call LT.
And even
You might
his
know
whole
better.
week, we don't know is how many lottery he play because we are
Can I get your
out
ID?
of town. But-
Yeah, I just.
So you guys gonna be contacting a Florida lottery?
I don't know. Is my answer. So
Yeah.
from right now, I think the route that we're on is we're going to charge him for the amount of the books. Okay. And then from that, the investigation is going to go on, right? I can't. We're trying to get a hold of our property detectives guy and to see what he says, because this is a little like this isn't like somebody just walked in and took some milk and ran out the store. That's easy, right? Like that's super easy.
Yeah.
Okay, so our detective wants to speak to you about this case to understand, like, your side of the story and everything, to make sense of all this, okay? Would you be willing to speak to our detective in Oklawaha?
Me?
Yeah, he wants to speak to you. You'll talk to him? Okay, all right. Well, then I'm gonna take you there, okay? All right. Just hang tight real quick.
Now, let's evaluate the parties involved. Deputy Bates and his partner both earn A- grades for their constitutional compliance, professional demeanor, and tactical judgment. They balanced thorough investigation with respect for all parties, demonstrating that professional de-escalation and legal rigor aren't mutually exclusive. The suspect receives D+. While his initial cooperation was appropriate, it cannot overcome the serious felony conduct evidenced by video surveillance and documentation. His subsequent failure to appear for trial compounds the problem. Under Florida Statutes 843.15, this constitutes a separate offense with automatic warrant issuance. The store owner earns B+. Her excellent documentation and prompt reporting were crucial, but week-long unsupervised employee access created preventable opportunity. This case teaches 4 essential lessons. First, voluntary intoxication defenses fail when defendants choose to combine substances, even when one is prescribed medication. Second, these deputies proved officers can simultaneously de-escalate situations and maintain constitutional rigor. The two approaches reinforce rather than contradict each other. Third, businesses handling high-value regulated inventory need systematic controls, 2-person accountability, daily reconciliation, and remote monitoring during absences. Finally, thorough evidence documentation transforms allegations into prosecutable cases. Settlement sheets and security footage made this investigation viable from the start. Let us know what legal topics you'd like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And check out our second channel, Street Law, for more police interaction and courtroom content.